Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Motorola phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve screen black and white problem. Friends, you can see your screen show guys black and white. So how to solve this setting on Motorola phone. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how to solve screen black and white problem. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Motorola phone. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click on this intelligent assistant setting, and friends, you can see fingerprint function, smart answer, three finger, lift to wake setting. So friends, you can see accessibility. Friends, click here. Talk back setting you want to on. Friends, you can talk back from here. So how to solve a black and white problem. Friends, you can see display and text setting guys, click here. And friends, you can see bold text. Friends, you want to off your bold text, you can off and you can on. Friends, click on color correction setting and tap here. Friends, by mistake you have enabled this setting, you will have to disable this setting, and guys your black and white problem will solve on your Motorola phone guys. Tap here. Friends, you can check your phone screen, your phone icon color, screen color will default. So like that you can solve guys your black and white problem on your Motorola phone guys. Go to your accessibility setting and guys disable color correction guys, your problem will solve. And friends, you want to use this color correction, so you can on and you can use on your Motorola phone. So like that guys, we can solve guys screen black and white problem. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.